Siya po palakpakan, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Tess, thank you sa ating tagapagpakilala. Sa ating pong Secretary Roy Simatu ng DNR being represented today, DNR Assistant Secretary Daniel Darius Nasser, to the Administrator of Metropolitan Waterworks Sewerage System Administrator General Emmanuel B. Salamat. Maraming salamat. To the President and CEO Mon Fernandez of Maynilad and to the Maynilad family at sa lahat ng iba pang bisita, sa mga contractors na nandito, magandang umaga sa inyo. Una, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sapagkat kayo na sa pribadong sektor ay nakikiayon sa mga layunin nowadays ng pamahalaan, nasyonal at lokal. Isa sa aking mga pangarap, o namin mga pangarap, ay magkaroon ng mapayapa, panatag at maliwalas na Maynila. At pag pinag-uusapan ng kaaliwasan o maliwalas, pinag-uusapan ay kapaligiran. As you all know, or this aside, since day 1 of July 1, we started with our streets, trying to eradicate obstructions or unnecessary structure na maibalik ang kalsada at bangketa sa mamamayan at mabawasan ng mga kumakalat na solid materials o solid waste materials. Salamat. Sa ating mga kalsada. Then, we continue. We did not stop. It's been ongoing. It's a long battle. Katulad ng sinabi ni Asek Salamat, we have to change the mindset of our people. Sapagkat nagkaroon ng pagbabagong sa tingin ko hindi natatamang pagkakaunawa o kaisipan ang mga mamamayan, lalo na yung mamamayan medyo bata pa, sapagkat ang nakita nila ay yung mali ay naging tama, na maling naging tama, naging normal. That's why we went back to basic governance. Na gawin lang yung lumang tama, yung tamang tama, na maging responsable individual o mamamayan o pamahalaan sa kanyang kapaligiran. Then we went further. Thanks to DNR, our partner, in putting up more open green space in our city. And when we were audited with our small effort for the last 1 year, from July 1, by a machine donated to us by DNR, what we call AQM, air quality machine. When it was first turned on, we were very afraid that we might not achieve what we're trying to give for the next generation. Clean air. Air is universal, and there is no science that will cure the air, only by nature, by putting up more trees and open green space. Bukod sa kami kinuwenta na ng DNR that in less than 1 year, we have accumulated 30 hectares, made it available to the general public of open green space. And when it was turned on, malugod ako nagpapasalamat sa aking mga kapwa-kawani ng pamahalaang lungsod, flying colors ang air quality sa pinakamaruming hangin na inyong mahihigop sa gitna ng Loton. Because Loton is like EDSA, the artery of the West and East and Southeast vehicular traffic. Yan ang access. Then again, in line with today's program, the unveiling of sewerage system, the new development sewerage system. In our own little way, your city government tried and been doing since day one, and in fact, as we speak today, we guarantee you that there are people, our employees, dedicated employees, we call them Estero Rangers. For them to pick every single day solid waste materials in the body of water. And recently, international organization, 2 of them, awarded the City of Manila and our team because we have accumulated and gathered 5.8 million of solid waste material in the body of water alone in 1 year. So it is a continuous effort. Kung kayo'y gusto natin malinis ang Manila Bay, marami siyang bagay-bagay na dapat nagawin. The presence of solid matters and the one that only microscope can see, which is yung ginawa naman ng DNR to put an end na dagdagan. Pinaganda lang ni Asek Salamat sa salitang Ingles ang kanyang ginamit para hindi na madagdagan ng echas ang Manila Bay. Dahil yun ang pinakamalaking inidoro ng buong Manila Bay. And let me remind you, while we're talking of the word Manila and Bay, it is not only Manila. DNR is just starting. This is just a good start within the cove of Manila Bay. Kaya malugod kami at nagpapasalamat. Totoo po yun. In fact, I requested to put up a water quality monitoring machine. And DNR, he did. They put 3. One in Pasig River, one in Baseco, and one in Ross Boulevard. Para ma-audit namin ang aming mga sarili. Para katulad ng sinabi ni Asik Salamat, we only address facts. We only state facts, not impression, not opinion. Facts coming from right agency na talaga para magsiyasat sa mga bagay na yun. Kaya natutuwa kami sa Maynilad. Nadagdagan na naman ng programa o effort na magkaroon ng malinis na tubig galing sa mga inidoro para sa kaunawaan ng regular na tao. Ayoko maging parang morbid na baka hindi pa kayo kumakain. But I just wanted to share it the way the people should and may understand. Na mga duming tubig na galing sa ating mga bahay ay bagong lumabas sa body of waters like Pasig River, Manila Bay, and the creeks of Manila, which the nature is so generous that provided us so many body of water naturally with our creeks all over the city of Manila. In fact, in the other side of the world, those body of waters are assets. In our case, it became a problem for so many reasons. But today is a testament of the commitment of the national government, local government, and the private sector working hand in hand and to confront it, address it. How far can we go? We don't know. But we have to start somewhere. The way the DNR did it in Manila Bay, portion of Manila, the way in our own little way, within our capacity to continue to support them in all other efforts and our daily efforts, and today with the private sector Maynilad, magkaroon ng malinis sa tubig paglabas sa mga tubo. Narinig niyo? Isa sa pinakamatanda, nabanggit kanina ni Mon, na sewerage system ay ang lungsod ng Maynila. In fact, it's an asset. It is a testimony that we Manilans are first to develop. Nanong araw talaga, yayamanin ang Maynila. In fact, I've been seeing some sewerage system na tisa pa. So, with that, no, nakaligtaan lang, napabayaan lang. But, sabi nga, kung ang pamahalaan ay nadapa, pwede namang bumangon ulit. Itama ang mali. At gawin ang tama. At totoo din, nabanggit ni Mon kanina, sa mga kababayan ko na nandito, hinihingi ko ang inyong pangunawa. In fact, ang dami kong pinirmahan na permiso. Pinagsabay-sabay ko nga. Gusto ko tirahin nila lahat para isahan na lang. Isahan na lang ang sakripisyo nating mga batang Maynila. Dahil lahat ng sakripisyo na yan, yung mga anak natin makatitikim din ng ginhawa pagdating ng araw patungkol sa pangangalaga sa ating kapaligiran. Kaya nananawagan ako ng pasensya, abaan natin ng pangunawa. At pangalawang panawagan ko sa mga kababayan natin, kumikilos ang national government, kumikilos ang local government, kumikilos ang private sector. Siguro naman, sapat na ang panahon na hindi natin masyadong pinansin ang mga bagay na ito. Ikinipit palikat na lang natin. Pero sapat na siguro mga panahon na yun na maging responsable naman tayong individual. We need to be responsible. We have to. Nobody will do it for us. No matter what efforts that you're going to do DNR, you're going to do MWSS, you're going to do Maynilad, and we, whatever we're going to do, lahat yan mauuwi sa imbornal. Kapag patuloy na hindi nagbago ang ating pananaw bilang individual, bilang mamamayan na pagmalasakitan ang ating sarili, ang ating kapwa, ang ating kapaligiran. Makapagpamana man lang man tayo ng maaliwalas na lungsod ng Maynila. We cannot do it alone. People should participate. People should cooperate. And people should be responsible also sa ating komunidad. So muli, this is just the beginning of good things to come. And if I may say, sabi nga, sa tagal-tagal ng kadugyutan ng Maynila, sa tagal-tagal ng kalibagan ng Maynila, sa tagal-tagal ng anggo, kwento nga ni salamat, ibang amoy ng Maynila. Sabi nga ani Asep ni Sir, sabi nga sa salitang Ingles, at inaalay ko rin, sinishare ko rin yung kasabihang ito. Good things come for those who wait. We've waited for long, so long, patiently. But I think it's high time for us to address this centimeter by centimeter, inches by inches, meter by meter, kilometer by kilometer. We must pursue. We must do. We must aspire for a better Manila. So maraming salamat sa Maynilad family. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for heeding the call of the President, the Department, and your city government. Rest assured, in the coming days, in the coming months of this continuous development, you have a friend in the city. We'll be there. We will support you. No harm will come to you. You have the full support of the people of Manila. Muli, bago ko matapos, gusto ko lang ipaalala, may COVID-19 pa. May COVID-19 pa, but we continue, like what we're doing today. We must continue, but let me remind you, there is still danger, but this danger can be managed. Okay? So, it's just a gentle reminder when you're in Manila or anywhere else. But I can only speak for our city. Please wear mask. If you can afford it, wear face shield. Wash your hands and practice physical and social distancing. In return of you doing those things, kami naman sa Pamahalang Luzon, susuklian ko yan. Kami magiging mainam, masinop at episyenteng paglingkuran kayo ng tapat ng inyong pamahalang lungsod ng Manila. So mag-ingat po kayo. Mag-ingat kayo, lalo na yung mga construction workers, ha? Pag-ingatin nyo sila. Kailangan sila ng mga tagawaing bayan, pribado man o pamahalaan. Magandang umaga, and I hope God may continue to guide and bless each and every one. May awa ang Diyos, makakaraos din tayo. Maraming salamat po. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that wonderful message, Arne. So you can really trust Manila that we are one with you in the Manila City in promoting the welfare of Manileños. So now, we come to the highlight of this morning's program, which is the signing of the commitment wall to signify our joint objective in protecting the environment. So may we please call on Manila Mayor Isko Moreno, ASEC Daniel Michel, MWSS Admin Jen Salamat, and Manila's President and CEO Ramon Cito Fernandez to walk over to our commitment wall. They will each affix their names on the wall as a symbol of their full support for the mission of rehabilitating Manila Bay. In the interest of safety, we would like to remind everyone to please always observe physical distancing. everyone. Thank you all for taking part in this momentous event. So, sirs, may we please have another photo op on stage? Okay, so another photo walk beside our commitment wall.
Beside po the commitment wall.
May you please ask us to stand beside our commitment wall for another photo walk.
Yes po.
Okay, after this one, we will proceed to another photo op last. We would like to invite our special guests to stand beside our vacuum dump units or our BTUs, which we use for our sanitation and septic tank cleaning services. We offer sanitation service every 5 to 7 years at no additional cost to our residential and semi-business customers in ancillary areas. After the photo ops, please enjoy the pack of refreshments that we have prepared. Thank you all for joining in this morning's program. And as always, stay safe and healthy.
Magtayo dun ng ilang ngayon para ano. Dito tayo. Sakto na yan. Professional kayo.